This Today Show Minute brought to you by Taylor King Law.
I'm Taylor King with Taylor King Law.
And I'm Austin King. Most of us in Arkansas look forward to the sight of snow until we're forced to drive in it. In case we're hit with winter weather like last year, here are 3 things to remember when driving in snow or ice.
1. Slow and steady wins the race. Avoid accelerating quickly and stopping suddenly.
2. Always remember to steer into the skid. What that means is if you feel the rear of your vehicle lose traction and begin to slide, you want to keep both hands on the wheel and turn your wheel the same direction that the rear end of your vehicle is sliding.
And 3rd, even though our first thought in an emergency may be to hit our brakes, don't slam your brakes in snow or ice. Gently tap your brakes if you begin to slide until you regain traction.
And if you're ever injured in an accident or have legal questions, contact us at 1-800-KARK or visit us online.
We'll be on your side, by your side.
This Today Show Minute brought to you by Taylor King Law.